good. I do.
So when you needle a Jing Well point, these Jing Wells aren't a specific area. It's not like point one soon, like Deadman says. It's a general area wherever anatomically it comes up, right? So you have to pump. The way we were always taught, Jeffrey always taught us to pump. You have to get water out of a well. Now you can start to see where the redness comes up. Sometimes you'll find you get white, right? And that whiteness is cold, right? So, but we want to get this qi and blood to the surface. This is where there's no real yin and yang here. It's all going back and forth really quickly, right? So then from here, after you pump it, watch. That's not bad. How is that? You didn't even wait.
No, I have high pain tolerance.
But you told me you hated Jing Wells.
Yeah, I don't like Jing Well. Well, compared to the other point, the other point that you did earlier, this hurts more.
That's not really.
But no, it's not bad.